Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to label a picture in Word. Make sure adding a label officially called a caption to picture in Microsoft Word is the best way to keep your image organized. So first you need to open your Word document and find the picture you want to label and then right click directly onto it and click on the Insert Caption. This will open a small dialog box. So in the label drop down menu, choose how you want to start your label. If you want to select the photo, you will select this one. If you want to select table, you can select table. Right now I'm selecting figure 1. Moreover, if you want a completely custom starting word like photo or image, just click the new label button and type your word and hit OK. For example, I'll type label. Click OK. And here you can see that in the caption. And it is also added in the label list. And now in the caption box at the top, click right after the number and type your label text. For example, and after that choose whether you want it above or below text. You can select from above or either below, whatever your choice is, and then click OK to proceed. And here you can see that. Sometimes if you press enter or add text elsewhere, Word automatically accidentally push your image to one page and leave the label on another. To prevent this formatting headache, you need to right click or you can select the layout option icon that appears next to your image, and when you click it, ensure it is set to the inline with text. Just treat the image like a joint text character, forcing the caption block to stay glued directly beneath it, no matter how much text you have above it. So this way you can easily how to label a picture in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.